Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis, and hitting the subscribe and like button, maybe the down button, thumbs down. So today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol CROX, CROX. I have never actually tried a Croc on. I don't own any Crocs, but this was a viewer's request, hopefully a subscriber's request. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at the fundamentals. We're going to see if there's a story to be told. We're going to see if sales are increasing or decreasing. Are earnings per share increasing or decreasing? Do institutions love the stock? Do they hate it? What's going on? What's the lowdown? Let's dive into Crocs. All right, you guys, you already know where I am. I am on finviz.com, and this is Crocs. Looking at the daily, it looks like we just hit maybe all-time highs. I don't know. We went from 150 down to 100. It's $50 off the share price. Does this stock deserve that? I don't know. Wow, the stock used to be 180 and fell all the way down to 45, then 143. Wow. So let me tell you what I see here because I see something very glaring. I see an Elliott wave. So here's one. This is one, two, three, four, five, and then we have our A, B, C, D. So we're still in a long-term bearish pattern, in my opinion. So in terms of where we can see some support, right along there to right. I guess we could go here as well. So this is where we're at on the monthly chart. We need to determine if this stock is worth this much or how how little it is worth. Um, looking at the RSI, the strength looks like it's going down. We do see a very bearish candle right here. I do see some significant downside coming. Looks like it's probably going to get to 72 potentially. The MACD is heading downward, unfortunately. We do see the money flow kind of rising in. Maybe there's some institutions who are taking advantage of this. And the relative momentum index looks like it's curving downward. Again, these are all observations. You guys make your own decisions here on what you think you see. So that is what I see. I see more downside ahead. But wow, look at this. They're profitable. They're very profitable. They're undervalued. Let's run these numbers because this looks incredible. So they make 3,890,000,000. Good for them. They have positive income of 669 million. Wow. And they have a market cap of 6,080,000,000. Wow, wow, wow. All right, we're gonna add cash and remove debt here. They have 100, well, let's see. Let's look at the latest. They have 166 million in cash. Wow. Plus 166,240,000. Total debt, I'm guessing billions. Yep, 2 billion. So minus 2 billion, 27,480,000. Yep. All right, and we're going to take this and divide it by the shares available, which is 59,970,000. So the share price could be trading at $146 thereabouts. The target price by analysts is $140, so not too far out of the imagination there. So I mean, the stock is technically undervalued, but we do not want to fight the trend, and the trend is looks like it's coming back down to 69.70. Looks like a very juicy position to watch. And it also looks like it's probably completing a head and shoulders on the monthly. So we have our left shoulder here, we have our head forming here, and then the right shoulder probably taking off the 250 plus, in my crazy, crazy humble opinion. So Crocs was trading around $7 for long time. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty simple, cut and dry. Wait for this to get back to support here around 70 bucks. Then why not pull the trigger? So let's just add a alert here. Where do I add an alert again? Ideas? No, no. I want to watch this under $80. All right, cool. Awesome. Let's go back to CROX. Let's see if institutions are buying or selling. I'm gonna say if there's, I mean, they could very well be buying because this is undervalued technically on the fundamental side. So CROX, CROX. So their old data shows that institutions own around 87.5%. I'm gonna say maybe higher, maybe lower, maybe flat. 100%. Wow. And we can see it looks like overall the institutional ownership is not at all-time highs, which is fine because I mean we can see the all-time highs was back in 2021, I'm guessing. Yep, November 2021, and then just tanks. So interesting. Institutions are buying. I think if you're patient, we could see this get down to $70. You never know. So I would wait. Um, this is a fairly short analysis video because I mean the candle just here signifies bearish, bearish. We're not seeing a reversal candle yet. So if you're interested in Crocs, I would definitely wait and see. I personally, I would buy this if it got down to 70. Buying today, I don't know if I would buy today yet. Let's just add another. I mean, you could even if it got down to $82, this might be one to start really, really watching. Um, I mean, their sales are just incredible. They do 3.8 billion in sales. Look at this growth. This is just amazing. So growth going up, revenues going up, shares outstanding going down. There's demand. People want this. EPS is kind of going down, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, I would be definitely watching this close. Watch for the 83 test right here. Watch for the fall to $70. Long term, I don't think you can go wrong holding this. I don't own any Crocs, but I don't know what they feel like. I've just never, there's people like me who probably have never worn Crocs. So yeah. If you guys made it this far, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you soon.